when you are authentic, just if you move your little finger, Parandama moves. In the Bhuloka, or I should say Batala Loka, Hiranyakashipu was threatening Prahalata. Hey, tell, where is your Narayana? Where is your Narayana? Is he in this pillar? Prahalata just lifts. He is in this pillar. Parandama just jumped out of his Yoga Nidra, straight sat on the Garuda and said, come on, now I don't have a time to. Hey, this little guy, Prahalata, is too authentic and he is lifting his little finger and showing in which pillar I am. I have to rush into that pillar, break that pillar and come out. To which pillar? His little finger stops, I have to rush into that pillar. Then you know the story where the little finger stopped. In that pillar he entered, broke. When Hiranyakashipu broke that pillar, he came out as Narasimha and he did the Hiranyavata. All that you know. The story goes. When you are authentic, just if you move your little finger, Parandama moves. Paramashiva rushes to make your Sankalpa into reality.